Hey there, welcome back to Umbraco Learning Base. My name is Isha, and in today's video, we'll look at translating a website. You can use language variants to set up a multilingual site. Language variants allow you to have variants of the same content. In this video, we'll look at how to add a language, enable language variants on document types and properties, view the language variants in the content section, use side-by-side mode for editing content, and add culture and host names to the root node of the website. Let's start with adding a language to our website. This is my project. I've installed the starter kit, so I have some content nodes here in the content section, some media files, some document types, and templates in the settings section. To add a language, we'll go to Languages and click Add Language. I'll select a language from the drop-down list. For this video, I'll select Danish and set it as a mandatory language. From the fallback language drop-down list, I'll select English so that when a translated version is not available, the English version will be displayed. And click on Save. Similarly, we can add multiple languages to the website. I'll quickly add the German language as well. Cool. We now have multiple languages. At any point, if you wish to change the default language of your website, you can do so from here. You can enable default language for the language you wish and click on Save. Now that we've added a language, we can enable language variants on document types and properties. So, we'll go to the document types folder and select Home. We'll go to the Permissions tab and enable Allow Vary by Culture and save the document type. Now, I'll go to the Design tab and click the gear icon of the header property, enable Allow Vary by Culture and submit it. Similarly, I'll enable Allow Vary by Culture for the description property. I'll leave the rest of the properties disabled and save the document type. Moving on, let's view the language variants in the content section. So I'll go to the content section and refresh this page. You'll now notice that there's a drop down here with the language variants in the content tree. If I click on the Home content node, you'll notice a drop down here to the right of the content name where we can select the language. We also have the ability to use the side-by-side mode for editing the content. So, if I click on Open in Split View, the default language and the language selected will be displayed side by side. I'll quickly add the translated content here. Cool. If we scroll down, we can see a pop-up on the disabled content. Each property editor that does not allow variants will need to be unlocked to be edited. The lock exists to make it clear that this change will affect all languages as the properties are shared between all variants on the website. I think everything looks good, so let's go ahead and save and publish this node. I'll publish both these variants. And I've received a notification saying that the domains are not configured for multilingual sites. So let's look at how the links look like. I'll close the split view mode and go to the Info tab, and we have the publish link for the default language. If we switch to the English language, we do not have a published link here. Let's go ahead and add a domain by adding culture and host names to the root node of the website. I right-click on the home node and select culture and host names. I'll select add new domain and add DA for Danish, EN for English, and DE for German and save it. Let's save and publish our home note again for the English variant. We now have a publish link with the domain name we just configured. If I switch to another language, the publish link will display the link for that language. Clicking on the link displays the content on the front end. So, what did we learn in this video? In this video, we took a look at how to add a language, enable language variants on document types and properties, view the language variants in the content section, use side-by-side mode for editing the content, and add culture and host names to the root node of the website. Now, it's your turn. Try using these features on your website and take it for a spin. I'll see you soon with another video. Until then, take care and stay safe.